This time on Boneyard Revivals, the 1978 Dodge gets its first wash in close to 20 years. But what's better than one Dodge? Two Dodges. We also revived my buddy's 1985 Dodge Ram, and we give that thing a wash too. Welcome to Boneyard Revivals.
Mopar, no car, baby.
Alright, so we're back with our 1978 Dodge, and today we're going to be giving it its first wash in probably 20 years. So, like I said, we're not going to go crazy today. We're just going to get a lot of this, fungi, whatever that is, off. And it's going to be super satisfying, and I figured that you guys would like to see it. So, let's make this thing clean. So what I'm starting with here first is just my 1700 PSI electric pressure washer. I think I have the 45 degree, 25 degree tip in. And because this is only a 1700 PSI electric pressure washer, I'm going to have to work a little harder to get some of this off. But yeah, so we're just going to start and just watch the video. We're going to blow all this nasty stuff off it. It's going to be great. You're going to be satisfied. I'm going to be satisfied. And yeah, okay. I'm going to start pressure washing it now. There you have it. She is all washed up. I tell you what, it's not perfect. I could have actually scrubbed it with soap, but just for a quick little degrease scrub down real quick, it looks really good. If I'm not mistaken, I think the paint on this truck was repainted once upon a time. There was some work done, I think that was fiberglass actually. Someone messed with, I think it was my step-grandfather, Harry. He did a bunch of the work on the lower fenders and stuff to kind of patch it up when it first started getting ugly. And now it's just, really, really bad. So you might think she's pretty mint, but I can assure you it's not. Here's the driver's side floor pan. Yep, that's good. It's good. That's fine. Earlier when I was messing around with it, this fell off the cab. I'm not sure what that's from, but yeah, cab corners shot. Just the actual cab support itself, really not so good. Frame is great, but the body is just falling apart. I mean, it pretty much needs a cab at this point. I mean, I don't even know, are the seatbelt anchors even doing anything? No, not really. So, let's just try not to get in a car accident, I guess. Got some rot at the bottom of the fenders, doors, cab corners. This cab corner's in similar condition. And I think, let's see, if I'm not mistaken, this door doesn't open straight. You got to pick up on it. Which, that just shows you that the whole cab is sagging. This floor pan is just as bad. Yep, not much there. Not much up there either. It's already been patched once before. So, that's pretty nifty. But, yeah, body-wise, not so great. Box is okay. Some of that work. And then even some of the stuff on the doors here and whatnot, that's all mud. But looking under the hood here, the rad support is just, whoof. Yeah, there's a lot of material there that's missing. We did track down, I have another rad support for it. I believe I have a passenger inner and outer fender, I want to say. And then I did track down a whole nother cab with doors. So everything that we would need to make this truck solid I've made a deal for. I just need to go pick it up and pay the man for it. So that'll be something that you guys will be seeing. I know that was a video that heck, that video was 2 years ago. It just shows you how long this video by itself and just getting this truck back on the road, that's how long this has been in the making. Just so many other projects. I mean, you guys just, you know how it is. I don't have to sit here and ramble on about it, but just, it's so cool that we got this thing back together. Needs a bunch of work, but we're going to run this thing and we're going to enjoy it. Runs, drives, and stops. What more do you need out of a vehicle? I mean, yeah, like the rust is kind of bad and you kind of, you know, want the seatbelts to do seatbelt stuff and you kind of, you know, don't want the cab to just roll off the truck, but it's back roads, cruising 35, 40 miles an hour. Just get it out there, run it, enjoy it. Well, with the Dodge all cleaned up, there was only one option to do and go hop out on the road and drive it, but decided to swing over to my buddy Jake's because his Dodge pickup truck has not been running in well over a year, so we decided to revive that one as well. I can give it a splat. I have my squirt bottle. I can just give it a splash right down the throat. And it'll probably fire off if you want. Sorry, his truck broke down now.
I need a new battery. I need the battery. You know, new battery.
Things like dead.
I know what's wrong with it.
Ain't got no juice in it.
Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you could do me a solid, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Would really appreciate that. Guys, get out in the shop, start wrenching on your projects, and can you guys do me a big favor? We need to convince Jake that we need to work on this 85 because this truck is pristine. It is mint. I swear to you, this thing is gorgeous, and there's a bunch of work that it needs. He's dragging his feet. We need to get him motivated. So if you guys could help me do that by leaving a comment saying, Jake, come on, let's work on this thing, that'd be awesome. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and your continued support here on Boneyard Revivals. We'll catch you in the next video.